My name is Johan Carlos Gut Gonçalves. I ski for Timor-Leste and I now arrived to Pakistan, and I'm looking forward to discover one of the most beautiful mountains in the world, as I've been told.
My name is Taras. I am Ukrainian skier. I visit many mountain countries. I want to say Pakistan has a great perspective in development of ski.
I'm Nazma Khairzad from Afghanistan. Ski is very interesting, especially in Pakistan.